this give happiness to you? Does this give happiness to the family? If he asked the same question to his father, he certainly realized that the son is saying something betterment for him, and certainly, this is the turning point. This is in fact insight which he realizes that this shouldn't be happening. But the whole world, some point of time would have advised him not to do that. But still, if his son or a daughter says him, don't do that, so which doesn't bring happiness to other family, obviously, I think the most of them, with the good-hearted persons, they listen to it. Today, what happened? I'm telling you, one of my colleague, just some big means he's much aged over me or man than me, but still I just want to advise him. I hope most of them would have told him also. I told him, sir, why is this making you happiness, is making you comfortable, chewing tobacco every day in the morning while you're in office? He told, sir, I cannot able to stop this. I told, sir, correct, means this might give you happiness, but this is not the happiness actually which is want to be, because of this, you might be happy, means you might be relaxed, maybe, but you should always think somebody who's there with you shouldn't they be feeling comfortable with you, or is this means if you feel that the people around you is getting comfortable on you chewing this tobacco, is that so, is that making you comfortable on that? Suddenly he realized for a few minutes. He just kept calm for 2 minutes, and he just went away and washed his mouth, and he came back and saying that, sir, really, I just want to thank you, because I'm sure I might reduce, or I might stop this even, I'm sure this will create an insight to me, and of course I'll 100% ensure that I'll not do that going forward. So this made me happy, and just want to add this kind of thoughts to you, and just a small advice, if everyone wants to take, it's up to you, and I don't compel anyone to go with that. Just a word of advice. If anyone wants to take it, that's okay. If doesn't want to take it, it's up to you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much. This is Arfat. Bye.